And I got my mindset right when I was like, I am sick of this cage that I live in, which was my 9 to 5 job work. And y'all are gonna see, this all ties in. I left my job, there was something that I really realized, and that was my hours that I was putting into my labor, it was getting harder and harder to make money. And if you feel that way, drop it in the chat, because I know a lot of you do, all right? I know a lot of you do. I know I did back then. I was just like, man, I feel like I can't get out of this rat race. And today, I'm gonna really show you blueprint, the secret, so that you don't have to live that life anymore. Now, it could take time, guys and gals. I really detest a lot of these, thought leaders, influencers, all this stuff that are like, you can do it today and it'll magically appear. No, like, it took me a while, all right? It took me a year or two. I had to fall down and get back up a couple of times. So I'm not here to paint this like super rosy picture for you, like, oh, you can do it today and tomorrow, I swear to God, you're gonna be at the top of the mountain. It's not how it works. Not how life works. And if you feel that's how life works, like, man, you gotta really, really start to learn different modalities, because I can tell you from experience, life is like a crypto chart, all right? A good crypto chart, the one that comes back. And it's full of peaks and valleys. But hopefully we end up going in this trajectory. There are some people who go in this trajectory. Me, I've been going in this trajectory, even though I've taken some hits on the chin.